Hey guys, it's Wild Slimes, and today I'm actually going to be talking about a really big announcement that I've been making and planning for the longest time, and I think you guys will really enjoy this, so just keep listening. So as you probably know, I do have a slime shop, and a few months ago, maybe I think early June, I restocked and I said that would be my last restock ever. And now that I've rethought it and I've like my schedule's like cleared up and all that because of, COVID and all that, I actually have decided to have a few more restocks throughout the next month or so, and I couldn't do that without making it like really, really special though. So I will be kind of revamping my shop, making everything much higher quality, new packaging, new everything. So I'm going to talk about this throughout the whole video. But before I kind of go through all of that, I just want to say that I am sorry that I did say that June would be my last restock. I really did think that that would be like my last time ever selling slime, but I've definitely like thought about it a lot and I really want to just have this final little blow. So I am sorry, but I hope that you guys can all enjoy this. However, I can say with like 100% confidence that after like mid-September, I definitely will never restock again after that. That is the full end because I will have much more on my plate, but I also just feel like this is definitely the right moment for me to just, stop selling slime. So now that I have all of that out of the way, let's take a look at the new packaging. So I'll be using the same 8-ounce deli containers, but I'll also have a few slimes with some screw top lid containers, and they will all have these really nice stickers that I actually got from Palm Shop Love, and the containers will also have another label saying the name. And then all the DIY clay sculptures will come in a container like this or like this. I will also have care sheets and borax and definitely some extras, but I couldn't show you in this video, so I probably will show you next week when I restock. And then all the deals will also be shown in each restock video. So I'm planning on having like a restock every week or every other week. We'll see what comes up, but I will definitely start restocking next week. So next Saturday, and the restock video will be up the day before on Friday. And all the slimes will also be like around $8 to $10 depending on the slime and the size. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. Definitely cheaper shipping too, because I've been trying to, keep my prices down. And then all the slimes will be listed on my Etsy. And to talk about the slimes themselves, they'll all be like way higher quality. They'll all have very unique and interesting, pretty little like parts of them, I guess. And I really spent so much time perfecting all of them. And I really hope you guys all enjoy them. I've just tried so many new scents, textures, and all of that. So yeah, I'm just so excited for you guys to see them. Remember, Friday. So yeah, that's basically all that I have for you to show today. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that you're all going to be blown away by every single slime that I restock now until like mid-September. So yeah, thank you so much for watching through this. I know it was a lot. But yeah, definitely stay tuned for my restock video on Friday. It's going to be really exciting, and I'll show you all the first slimes that I will be, launching. So even the weeks that I will not have a restock video on here, YouTube, I will also have just like a review or something like that, maybe a restock with me. I will have videos every single week, if not like once or twice a week. So be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and most of all, just save some money so you can snatch. So exciting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.